U MLA ka BJP na South Shillong u Bah Sanbor Shullai hakan rio trik no pra ulapan pau ka jing Pyrshah ka bajur halor ka rajong ka Sorkar BJP balalam khmat da u himanta biswa sarma ban khang ya ka jing bam do Masi haki jaka pat ba habakren Shakila patai kubor u Bah Sanbor ula ong bahagi nu kinu ki benta jong ka perthei lani hapo ka riti senshar jong kari India kamshim ladan satya ka kendon kaban khang Pyrshah ya ka jingbam ya ka nu ka jaddo habab hilet shakaleng kiri ka perthei kata kum sha Bangkok Malaysia Indonesia Europe pat kiri ka doba Asia ki bam ru wat e ki bseng ki khnai ki khnyang nyang lar tham ru Henry kamshim ladan satya ka nu ka jingkhang Pyrshah kumta balai ka Sorkar Assam kan khang ban bam do Masi nga Pyrshah jor ya ka ni ka rai ulaong da ka bapun pau baha Meghalaya ka de ka monjong upat ba u Bah Sanbor ulaong badang ha kini ka arbanai baladam ula bam ya ka dokso haringkat ka kurim jong u ngi bam ya ka dokso nga jubam dokso ha ka por bangadang khna samla mentaru dang arbanai menshwa uparlok ula pha dokso bat ngalabam e jai bat la ka kurim anle ayu habashim ya ka ni ka rai ka Sorkar Assam kum ka bambha uni u MLA ka BJP ula ong balai ban shukhang kensan kade ka monlight lu jong phi la pikwa ban bam do psen ne bam do Masi ula kula ru ba an amai lat satya da lele ru ya ki bakum gini jingjia bakin wanjia ha Meghalaya ngan yeng scam hang ne kan wanjia kat ba u Bah Sanbor udang im ngan khang satya kani kade ka jella ka balai lu ngila ban ba mi ki bsen Masi nyang lar tham khnyang bat kinu kat ba ngikwa ka Christmas kalawan menta bamlut aka baro kat bakwa ka Christmas bat snam thamai kalawan to ngin ya lekmen nga ai khoble Christmas bat snam thamai basuk bakmen ya baro ulaong ha bakali u Bah Sanbor ulaong nga don hang ni menta kum u BJP Sanbor karukam trekam ka BJP jonga kaya pher ha Assam karukam trekam kaya pher hang ne ka de ka BJP Sanbor ha ka ju ka por u Bah Sanbor u pentep ba unsa tho sha ka Sorkar pedeng bat ka Sorkar Assam halor ka ni ka benta ngalada pen khre ban pha ya ka khobor sha ka Sorkar pedeng ya ka copy and pha ru sha u Chief Minister ka Assam u Himanta Biswa Sarma ban pau bang sngosi namar de satya ban le ya ki bakum kini ki aka ngidan ya ka an ban perkhing ki nongle kam baman henry hak ba de bat ka bam ka di ula banram.
It should not happen in Meghalaya because I condemn and I oppose. You see, when we are traveling every part of the world, and the Constitution of India also there is no law that restrict to ban any kind type of meat to eat. We are traveling all about the world. You will see in Bangkok, Indonesia, Malaysia, in the European country, Asian country, they even eat snake. There is no restriction. Rats, insects, scorpion, they eat. So why should they restrict to eat beef? I oppose. Here in Meghalaya, it is your choice. You can eat snakes. We eat dog. I used to eat dog when I'm young. Now also, just 2 months back, my friend, he sent me 1 power dog meat. I eat nicely with my wife. So what? Yeah, it's not good too. Why suddenly you ban? It's your choice. You want to eat snake, you want to eat beef, it's your choice. It should not happen. I will stand firmly. Here will not happen. As far as Bah Sanbor is alive, I'll not ban. This is an independent state. We can eat snake, beef, scorpion, insect, whatever we like. Eat. Enjoy. Christmas is coming now. We enjoy Christmas. Eat everything. New Year is coming. Eat everything. No restriction. Let us enjoy. Happy Christmas in advance and Happy New Year in advance. I'm here today as a BJP Sanbor. So my BJP style of function is different. So in Assam, the style of functioning is different. Here is a BJP Sanbor. Prepared already. I have prepared already to send my message to the center. A copy I'll be giving to you. I'll send to Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma that we feel bad. We feel so sorry. Should not do all these things. We have the law. We restrict the criminal, but in terms of eatable things, they should not restrict.